Good morning, friends. So here I show you how the mirror command will work. So that is M70 and look at that M70 and M70 is the x-axis mirror and M17 y-axis mirror and M80 is the end of the x-axis mirror. Cancel will takes place in x-axis mirror and cancel will takes place for the y-axis 81, 70, 71, 80, 81. 70 for x-axis mirror, 80 cancel for x-axis mirror, 71 y-axis mirror, 81 cancel for y-axis mirror. Using this course I can I can take the mirror of this one. So whatever symmetry, whenever the cutting is symmetry is there on x and y axis, it will takes place here very easily. So you can reduce the lines of the programs. So using this, just like in our AutoCAD how you will do mirror, in the same way here also mirror takes place. Whatever the cutting slot triangular is there, this triangular cutting takes place here, and mirror will takes place here. So because of this section, this is a both axis mirror is there, symmetrical for both axes. So for both axes I wrote here. See the program now. In this so G21 mm and 98 mm per minute feed rate, 91 is incremental, 28 go from the x0 y0 z0, 6 m06 m06 is the tool change, and m06 is the tool change, and m03 is the spindle clockwise counterclockwise 1000 rpm. 98 m98 is the subprogram call. I returned in a subprogram, that is the number of passes is 1 and 33 is the name of the program, and afterwards I used m70, and this is a mirror in the x-axis. So this object will come here after doing x-axis mirror, this will come here, and after that again I will call m98 subprogram, so it will come here and it will do the operations of this one. So how it will do? So now mg90 is the absolute, this is the subprogram, O33, and I wrote here the name of the program. So g90 and g00 x15 y15 is there. See that so from here the first point of this program from x-axis is positive, so positive 15, and y is also positive 15. From here that will go linearly. From here the x will become 30 and y will remains the 15 itself. So in the next point you see z is 0 and z minus 1 cut they take place at the 80 feed rate, and again after going this it will using the linear movement G01 code, you can write G1 also. From here it will go from here. So it is both x and y is varying here. So x is now off of this one 7.5 and already 15 is there. 15 plus 7.22.5 will x becomes, and the y is 30. So I wrote here x 22 point and y is 30. So this point is see my mouse is here. So this is become x 22.5, y is 30. From here it will come here again, so x will become 30 and y is 15. So I wrote in the next line the x30 and y15. So this point, is x30 and this point is x30 and y15. So from this same for all these objects, same dimensions, symmetrical about dimensions also symmetrical, and figure is also, everything shape and dimensions both are symmetrical. So I can use the mirror command. So I use it as mirror 70 80 x 70 71 x and y. So this will repeat after whenever I call this program. So using the m98 I called. So number of passes is 1 is there, and name of the number of the program is there. After I stopped here, see 70, this mirror will takes place. So this mirror will takes place, and afterwards again I call this m98. So using this one again m80, I will cancel the x-axis mirror, and this 71 will mirror takes place, and 98 again I call this program, and 81 cancel that y-axis mirror, and it will go. So like this program will go for the home 91 and G28 m05 spindle stops m30 program end. So by that time it will do all these 4 mirroring options. So you check here, I'll check this program now, go for the syntax, and now it is checking 29 lines are there, no error, no warning. So here if it is error there, you have to correct it. Now it is not showing anything, it's okay. Now you can run the program. Before that running the program, you can change the tool. So you have to set this tool. So already I set, I used the end mill rough 3. So here is the tool I used, that end mill. So rough insert, so 6 everything. So end mill, this face mill, sorry. So this will become end mill. So in the rough flute I used the 6 mm end mill rough 3 flutes. So this is the already I assigned, so now I will not assign, I will cancel it. Otherwise you have to assign, you give okay to assign it. And I have to set that blank. So here already I used to set, that is 45 45 from center. This side of center I used centering using the dg54 datum shift command you can use to make the center in the machine. So this is my center point, and minus 45 plus 45 minus 45 plus 45, and depth object thickness is 10, blank thickness is there. Okay, now you give okay. So already I given. So now I will go and I will run this program. See, I will start, and this is in solid mode. This is in solid mode, so you can it looks beautifully. Other, if you kept wire mode, so you can't understand the cutting. So that's what I kept in solid mode. Okay, now I'll run this program. So now tool came, that end mill 6 mm dia. So now that first mirror is taking place, and afterwards using this command m70. So see, the program sub program is working now 22.5. So mirror is happening about the x-axis, and this about the x and both symmetrical axis x and y. So I called here both 70 and 80 here, 71 and 80 cancelled x, and I used this. So now the 4-axis mirror takes place here. So now the tool will go and move, and if spindle will stop now, home m30, end of the program. So thank you.